Hey everyone, gonna do a little more work to the satellite. I think I'm gonna try to replace that abomination. Got a new battery tray and I got the little brace for it. I don't know how they knew that this car was rust colored, but they nailed it. A little bit of an update. Installed a radiator, mostly. Had to cut that tab down there a little bit to make it fit, but other than that it seems pretty good. I also put a loop on those transmission lines. I'm going to replace those, but just for now I don't want it to spew fluid everywhere. And I got it up on jacks. Not that it matters, but here we go. In the words of my grandfather, get out of here, don't get on out of here. Clean up this bracket a little. Gonna paint it. Prep is everything when painting, especially when you're working with such a pristine machine as this. As much as the rust color matches, that is not what I want. Of course, it's just going black. Of course, I'm going to paint the bolts too, so I just threaded it back in and a little bit. Just a little bit of cleaning. So the nozzle on that can is pretty messed up, and that came out way faster than I thought I was going to. Now I'm going to do these bolts real quick. These are the ones that came from the tumbler. There we go, that's better. Well, I'm waiting for stuff to dry. I'll do my negative battery cable real quick. That ought to do. I know this probably seems boring and trivial, but old car life, it's just how it is. A lot of the jobs you'll do are small and tedious and not much of an adventure. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, even though I don't have a battery to put it to, because I will absolutely lose this if I don't. Went ahead and got the battery tray mounted. Got these from Classic Industries, and there was no hole here. The old one has a hole there for the little brace underneath, but no big deal. Just drilled it and painted it, and it's good. Stable-ish, about as good as it's going to get with, you know, the Flintstone modification here. And I guess last thing for today, get this positive battery cable done. Gunshots in the background. Awesome. Jacksonville problems. Yep, I can just pull it out. Sweet. This is an awkward position. Man, I can't believe this stuff's breaking loose the way it is. This part looks so rusty. I guess I spoke too soon. It's getting even tighter. Man, it's barely turning. Well, that's not good. I broke off the little stud. Crap. That means the starter's gonna have to come out. I jinxed myself. Get out of here. Can you guys tell I'm from Texas? Some of you might be asking, why am I bothering with this right now since that screw broke off of that stud? Well, if I don't, I might forget how this went. I'm still having trouble. Why won't you go in? Ooh. That was easy. Okay. There we go. Let's see if I can hold it out of the way while I tighten it. Yes. Getting there. Alright, new battery cables, new battery tray installed. Yeah, I know that's bad. Take care of that later. I guess that's all I can really do right now. Really trying not to spend much money on this engine until I can verify it's good, but I don't really have a choice but to change that starter, so I guess I'll get that out and get a new one, and then she's ready to start. I know this is little bits at a time, but that's all I can do. I'll get there. But next video, I'm starting it.